Gucci on Gucci action. Hey guys, I am so excited. We are heading to San Diego for a few days to celebrate our anniversary. And I just wanted to pop on and say hi and show you what I'm wearing for the plane ride. Also got to show you the new Sparkle Bomb piece that I'm making. They're custom initial necklaces. So here is my look for the plane. Got my comfy Gucci loafers, my Natasha Sky High jeans, and then this amazing pink tuxedo blouse from Buru. And then of course I've got my coordinating mask. We arrived in La Jolla and I chose La Valencia Hotel, which was a really beautiful choice. We chose to stay in one of the villas, which was really nice. And it was a little bit sprinkly, but the weather got really nice. We actually ended up really enjoying the pool bar. And you can see here, this is just one of the rooms where they do brunch on, I think, Saturday and Sunday mornings. And it was just a really beautiful Spanish style building. So we really enjoyed it. Okay, so we went to the pool bar, had some champagne, and then came back to the room. And I had to grab my camera because I discovered the most beautiful neon pink sunset. So I just had to show you guys. So the room itself is very nice. There's like Spanish tile, but also feels very modern. And for dinner tonight, we are headed to a restaurant called Addison, which is the first Michelin star rated restaurant in San Diego. So it's gonna be fancy. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I am wearing to go to dinner tonight. It is a sequin dress from ASOS and a pink fur coat from Majorelle that I got on Revolve. So, okay. See you guys later. Hey guys, we are getting ready to go out and do a little sightseeing. So I just wanted to show you my casual look. Green cashmere sweater, jeans, these shoes you probably recognize, my Franco Sarto Espadrilles, and my favorite little bag, Yves Saint Laurent bag, and of course my necklace that I'm obsessed with. So our plan for the rest of the day is to go shopping in San Diego, and then we are going to go to a restaurant called El Pescador, which we heard has amazing food. So excited about that. And then find another restaurant for dinner tonight. So should be a fun day. Okay, we are back. The food was amazing. I had the most amazing crab sandwich I've ever had in my life and some delicious Kumamoto oysters. It was really good, so definitely recommend it if you are in the La Jolla area. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready for dinner. I think we're just gonna go have dinner at the restaurant here in the hotel. I'll let you know about it. All right, guys, well, this is our last day in San Diego. We're actually getting ready to leave to go to the airport right now, and kind of bummed, but I thought I would show you my airport style. My favorite pink jacket, and I made myself a custom F pin. This awesome new cashmere sweater I just got yesterday at Nordstrom. Sparkle Bomb custom nameplate, and my favorite jeans. But what's the best part of this outfit? The Gucci on Gucci action. So I'm wearing my Gucci socks and my Gucci loafers. So anyway, it's a beautiful day in San Diego. Kind of bummed to be leaving, but I'm sure we'll be back.